What's good guys, my name is Oleg Nikitin, you're watching No Limits on channel from Russia with love, and today I have a Magimask Goggles. So what is that? Basically, these are the goggles. You insert your phone right here, there is a phone holder. I was using the iPhone 8 and the iPhone 12 Pro Max of my girlfriend, and it's a much bigger screen as you might have guessed. And basically you have a special lens right here. It's a single lens, not two separate lenses as in true FPV goggles. And you can use your DJI Go app or DJI Flying app or any app of your drone and get something like FPV experience for much less cash. Let's start off with the build quality of this unit. I'd say it's built like a tank. Really nice materials, everything is stretched and sewed with perfectness, and I would say that the zips are great, the overall feelings about it, it's kind of premium product, I'd say. Everything is padded really nicely, the lens itself looks really nice, the phone holder is made out of metal and has some stretching strap right here. Also these straps on the back for your head are kind of adjustable, and here we have a leather kind of a pad that holds your goggles on your head, and you can adjust it in all the ways. Also here we have this little lock, and you can adjust the distance from your eyes to the phone and adjust the focus in that way. Also in the box we get a little cleaning cloth and a big huge pouch with Magimask logo on it. It's a nice addition because you don't want to scratch the lens of the goggles for sure. In terms of comfort, it's a little heavy, especially with the iPhone 12 Pro Max inside, and I was kind of leaning my head backwards so the weight is kind of pushing towards my face, not downwards, and I'd say 30 to 40 minutes is okay wearing this thing on your face and in your head, but more than that it's a little heavy to me. What do you feel wearing these glasses? It's a little tough to explain and to kind of deliver your feelings about it just in the words, but I would say it looks like an iMAX, especially with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Imagine that you're sitting in the iMAX and everything you see is just a huge screen. This is the experience you get with those goggles. And it was really fun to watch my video from Dagestan, Russia, with a lot of cool drone footage and the mountains and all that, and I gave those glasses to my daughter and she was like 15 minutes doing like so, and she didn't understand that it's not working like this. You're not turning the camera inside, you're just watching a bigger screen, but overall it's a really exciting experience, and flying a drone with it is kind of a different feeling. It's really immersive and you feel, I'd say, not more confident, but more excited about the flight for sure. By the way, smash the like and subscribe buttons if you'd like to pilot and to fly your drone basically in an IMAX theater. It would be really great. Those goggles kind of provide those feelings.
And let's find out, is it any good? So, FPV style drone with the regular drone. Let's fly. Okay, the first try is straight into the forest. I'm in auto exposure right now and it's really scary, guys. But I feel quite confident flying like so. Let's try a little faster. The remote is beeping like crazy, but actually it's working pretty good. And I'm able to fly through forest, and yeah, it sees the obstacle somewhere. Oh, am I crazy doing this? So guys, I can see myself right now. Here I am. Auto exposure, yay! What's good, guys? It feels really good. I can definitely see everything clearly. I'm in focus, basically. And if I need to change the settings, I can simply unzip this part right here. Flip it up a little bit, like so. First is to go to manual mode completely, like so. So right now I'm in manual mode, and I think this is okay. So let's try flying a little different. And now we'll be trying to fly an FPV style, so let me change the setting to FPV. So I can control my exposure with the aperture using the wheel right here. As you can see right now, I'm changing the aperture. And yeah, let's switch to normal mode. And I have switched to FPV style flying. Woohoo! Whoa, 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 I gotta be careful. It's definitely more fun than flying the regular drone. Let's try to get the sport mode. Woohoo! But it looks really cool. The picture is crisp and nice, and I can definitely see everything, and the feelings are great. Okay, let me get back to myself right here because the battery is low. I always try to put my head somewhere, like turning to the sides, trying to have a look where I am, but definitely this is not the case, guys. So these are just the lenses and the glass basically, and you see the same monitor of your phone and nothing else. Otherwise it's the same basically. Whoa guys, this was awesome. That's a totally different experience, guys. I can definitely say so. Whew! Yeah, that's it. We've landed and I really enjoyed it.
Usually you get two different kind of lenses for each eye in the FPV goggles, but in those goggles from Magimask we get one single lens and it projects the image from your phone to your eyes just like a single picture. And it's really comfortable to use, and they've made a test with a PhD doctor and developed the least harmful lens for your eyes. But be careful guys, not to wear those glasses for more than 1 hour. Make some breaks because it's not the best way for your eyes to work, and you need to give some breaks to your eyes to relax. And Magimask says that you'll get 4 times better resolution when using these goggles than if you were using the separate lens for each eye like in most FPV goggles. One more benefit is that those goggles are totally protected from the light, and you can basically shoot in very sunny weather and have no issues with it. And also those goggles have no lag because you connect with a cable to your phone through the goggles and then to your remote control, and you have instant response. But some FPV goggles provide a little lag, so you'll be definitely confident with those goggles piloting your drone. Flying your drone. I say, is there a word? Can I pilot my drone? Is there a verb? Write down in the comments. I have a secret info. The guys are planning to change the name of the company a little bit, so they are leaning more towards the drone sphere. And let's write down in the comment section below the new name for the company and for those goggles that is connected to the drones and to the goggles. And just let's help the guys from Norway. By the way, they're from Norway, as they said me. So write down in the comment section below the new name for the company and for the goggles. Let's move on. My conclusion is this product is made with big love and passion, and I really enjoy the build quality and the quality of the glass itself inside, I mean plastic maybe inside of those goggles, and the experience is really great. But to me it's a little too bulky to carry around because I travel a lot, and it's just you know, too bulky for me to carry around with me in all the trips, and I prefer being compact and small and lightweight. But if you're a drone enthusiast, or you want to have some new experience, new emotions from piloting your drone, or you're thinking about buying an FPV goggles and you don't want to break the bank because those goggles cost only $130, I'll leave a link down below in the video, and you'll get definitely some new emotions from flying a drone with those goggles from Magimask. Maybe we'll have a new name soon. And thank you very much Magimask company for sending those goggles to me and reaching out. I really appreciate it. So what are your thoughts on this Magimask goggles, guys? And do you use FPV style goggles in your drone work? Please share thoughts in the comment section below as well. And here is my Instagram. Thank you very much for watching, and a couple of videos for you to watch next from awesome locations. These are the drone reviews, and I see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.